Welcome to SigmaNEST. Staying competitive in the manufacturing world can be tough, especially when your competitors are using a more accurate quoting software. Get the job done with SigmaNEST's powerful quoting system. Get real machine times, nested costs, and customize the quote to fit your needs. Just import the parts you need for the quote. SigmaNEST users can quickly apply secondary operations to parts using advanced costing features. Applying secondary operations to parts will automatically carry all the way through to a quote. When you're ready to create your first quote, all you need to do is nest and apply the toolpath. When creating a quote, SigmaNEST will automatically calculate the total costs for you. Create customized quotes and send them directly to the customer. Once you win the quote, easily convert them to a work order. Boost your competitive edge and stay accurate while making money with SigmaNEST. Visit SigmaNEST.com to get started today.